Push the door open and the wind drafts through from outside and fresh air rushes in. What an ordinary sliding door cannot give you, it can. Warren 3-track sliding door. But the 3-track door can overlap the door panels together, allowing for a wider opening for passage. The tracks are designed with 3 evenly distributed rails, and the screen door can be installed either inside or outside. Adopting a waterproof track design, it prevents rainwater backflow even on typhoon days, offering a higher safety factor. The configuration uses 606 OT66 Ultra High Precision Primary aluminum with a wall thickness of 2.0 to 2.2 millimeters, standard, equipped with German Technoform thermal insulation strips and Jingyan Haida rubber seals, and Warren's customized full set of lift-slide hardware. The 3-track is designed to open wider and offer more transparency. As long as there is a place where 2 spaces need to be fully opened, that is where it shines. 3-track linkage transparent through one door, letting your home embrace nature. If you want to know more details about this door, follow me and leave a comment in the comment section.